Next, we have Ms. Nidhi Soni, Program Manager at the school program. She will give us an overview of what the Spoken Tutorial School program is all about.
A very good morning to our special guest, Mr. Amit Kumar. All esteemed principals and educators, those who have come today from different parts of the country. Thank you for joining us today. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce Spoken Tutorial Program under National Mission on Education through ICT, Ministry of Education. Today, we will explore how this initiative, in collaboration to Central Board of Secondary Education, aligns to the goals of National Education Policy 2020 and contributes digital literacy into schools. So before we go forward, let's take an overview of this event. So this event is a joint initiative by CBSE and Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay to enhance the digital skills of students as well as educators. As National Education Policy emphasizes on the integration of technology into education, the Spoken Tutorial project promotes the integration of technology into education and empowers schools to adopt ICT tools effortlessly. So before I introduce you all the Spoken Tutorial project, let us quickly take a look at the key aspects of NEP 2020. So the policy promotes the technology integration in education. It offers emphasis on coding and computational thinking, and most importantly, an equitable access of quality education. The Spoken Tutorial project, in line to the goals of National Education Policy, and offers an innovation and accessible learning to all the students and educators. The content is available in multiple languages to avoid the language barrier. In essence, it creates a complete ecosystem of learning for students as well as the educators. So, about Spoken Tutorial project. So this project was established by Ministry of Education and initiated by IIT Bombay. We are offering interactive audio-video tutorials on various courses. These tutorials are prepared by the experts of IIT Bombay. We offer a wide range of courses from basic IT skills to programming languages, animation and graphics packages, and some subject-specific courses like mathematics, biology, and chemistry. And most importantly, that all of these courses are available at a very affordable subscription price to schools. Let's get into the more details of the program. These are the specifics of the program that we offer. Self-learning audio-video tutorials designed by the experts of IIT Bombay, available in 22 plus vernacular languages to avoid language barrier, short videos to support concentration level of students, and the methodology which we brings in side-by-side practice. A student not only watches a video, they will also get hands-on exposure of the courses by writing a code. Students will get an e-certificate by passing an online test. And in the entire academic year, they are able to secure 6 courses from Spoken Tutorial. And yes, for teachers, they can complete their 25 hours of professional training using Spoken Tutorial. So we are talking about the digital transformation of schools. We are talking about ICT as part of the school's curriculum. And we are talking about the blended learning model available for students. These all are the visions of CBSE, and Spoken Tutorial directly contributes to the visions of CBSE. As we have gone through the specifics of the program in the earlier slide, we all can ensure that the guidelines of CBSE are followed by the Spoken Tutorial project, very much in line to offer a complete support system to integrate ICT in your school. Now, let us take a look at the courses as per the compliance NEP and CBSE. We offer programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python. We cover STEM education by offering science-related courses and some productivity softwares like LibreOffice, which is equivalent to MS Office. Now further, let's take a look at the wide range of courses we offer for schools. The basic IT skills, introductions to computers, learning the applications of computer, a complete package to offer class 6th onwards in your school. Then we have animation and graphics, programming languages, and as I mentioned, subject-specific courses for mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. We have direct relevance to the NCERT book topics from class 6th onwards 12th. I would request all of you to take a look at the slide. It is a self-explanatory slide. You all can see the relevance of spoken tutorial topics to the NCERT book. So as I move forward, would like to share the spoken tutorial program so far. The project has already made remarkable progress. We have launched spoken tutorial program in 2009. Gradually and slowly, we partnered with 5,000 plus institutions across the nation. We have trained more than 8 million students from these institutions. Then in 2022, we launched the spoken tutorial program for schools. Until now, we have partnered with more than 300 plus schools across the country. And I am immensely happy to share our partners of program. So these are some of our proud partners of program. The SNBP International School from Pune, Jodhpur Army Public School, DAV Public School Samastipur, some schools from Samhita Foundation. Then we have 70 Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya across India working with us, 30 EMRS schools, and so on. These all our partners have embraced the journey of spoken tutorial with us. And I would like to share what all benefits a student or a school can get from spoken tutorial. As I mentioned earlier as well, that a student can secure more than 4 or 5 certificates in the entire academic year. These courses not only help them in enhancing their skill set, but also prepare them for their academics. Even the dropout students can take advantage of these courses and increase their employability skills. The teachers from all the schools, they can fulfill their 25 hours of professional training using these courses. So let us all understand that how a school can implement the spoken tutorial program in their campus and what are the requirements for implementing it. So the requirements are pretty simple, that you should have at least 10 to 15 computers or laptops in your campus, one coordinator from your school, preferably IT teacher or any person who has the basic knowledge of computers. With limited access of internet connectivity, you can easily implement the courses in your school using this ICT tool. Well, I'm sure by now, I'm assuming many of you will be charged enough to know how you can take this transformative journey in your school and introduce this wonderful course in your school. Well, this is the time to take an action. So what you can do, you should appoint one coordinator from your school, put that person in touch with the school program team. Then we will work with your coordinator entire year. We will guide them how to register, how to upload the batches on our website, how to implement the courses across your computer lab. We will help that until each and every student gets certificate from this program, we will be working with your coordinator. For teachers, they can leverage this resource by offering the professional development trainings. And yes, for students, they can explore the wide range of ICT courses by using this resource. So if you are really interested, you can get in touch with us You can call on given number and feel free to write to us. Thank you so much for joining us today.